sports. We're heading out to Cars and Coffee this morning. Hey, the roads are dry. Got gas in the Corvette. Why not? So it's going to be a good day. It's a little bit gray this morning, a little bit chilly, but I needed an excuse to get in a stick car and drive it. That Buick's not ready to drive yet. I need to get back to work on that thing. Been doing some other stuff, RV repairs for one. But today we'll show you what's out at Cars and Coffee. We'll give you a tour there. And then tonight we're going to the Portland Roadster Show. I'm not sure I'm going to bring any camera stuff. Probably just go and walk through their 70th anniversary Portland Roadster Show tonight. So get on out there and check it out. It's really cool. There's a lot of history there. And I know I've got one buddy with a funny car in there. A nitro funny car. So I'm looking forward to seeing Ron's car on display. I have not seen it yet with the blown engine in it. I never got down there to help. So hoping to wrench on that thing a little bit this summer. We'll see how that goes. But have a good Saturday, everybody. Watch to the end. You never know what you might see out of Cars and Coffee. Thanks.